Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I did a quick little run to Dollar General today just to do a couple of little deals. There's not many deals that aren't new that I can show you, but I do have a few. But I didn't want to do a big long video of everything that I was doing because a lot of them are repeat deals that we've been doing over and over and over the last 2 or 3 weeks. And Dollar General is really not giving me any good coupons. I keep getting the same ones over and over. So I did find a few that I want to share with you. So go ahead and get your phones out. Get your Dollar General app out. Make sure that you have your Ibotta app out as well as your Fetch. If you haven't downloaded either app, I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. And then all you have to do is click on that link and go ahead and set your account up. That way, you'll be ready to go and be able to take advantage of all of the deals that we are about to do. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the bell right next to the subscription button. Um, that way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video and you won't miss out on any new deals, any glitches, or anything like that. So guys, let's jump into it and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so the first deal that I'm going to start with is on the Dawn Power Wash. So I did use a digital coupon for this deal. So you want to go into your DG app and you want to clip this digital coupon. Now, I don't know if you're aware or not, but there is a glitch with this, and this is the reason why. When you open up the coupon, it says you will get $4.99 off when you buy one Cascade Platinum Tub, 48 count or larger, and one Dawn Power Wash dish spray starter kit. Excludes Dawn Power Wash refills. So basically what this coupon is saying is that you have to get this along with the Cascade, which I'm going to show you, in something like this. And you would get $4.99 off. But it is glitching, and that is a good thing for us. So I'm not saying you got to run to the store. I'm not saying it might not be there tomorrow or Saturday or whatever. I'm just saying that normally when Dollar General has glitches on coupons of this high of a value, after so many people start doing the glitch, then they end up pulling the coupon. So if I were you, I would go into my DG app and I would clip the coupon right away. And then I would get to Dollar General as soon as possible. You want to grab 2 of those power washes. It has to be the full power wash kit. It cannot be a refill. It will not work with that. It also will not work as self-checkout. You have to grab the 2 full ones and go to a regular register. I'm saying go to a regular register because that's what people are telling me. But I went to a regular register also. So I got 2 of those and I got it took $4.99 off. So one of them would cost you $5, okay? So you're going to grab 2, so that's $10. And then you're going to get the $4.99 off, so that means 2 of them is going to cost you $5.01. Guys, that's a pretty good deal because that's like $2.50 for one of those. So that's like getting them for half price. So just go clip your coupon while you're watching this video. And then if I were you, I would get to Dollar General as soon as possible to grab those Dawn Power Wash. Now, the second deal that I want to show you is on the Dove body wash. And those are the Dove body washes that are $7.50. Now, you're going to go into your Dollar General app and you're going to clip this $3 digital coupon. You can take $3 off the body wash that's 22 ounce or larger, or off of the Body Love Cleanser. I got the Dove, just a regular body wash. Now you're going to notice in your app that there is also another $3 coupon, but that is for the 34 ounce or larger. That's for the pump. You can click both of them. It doesn't matter. The correct one is going to come off of the right Dove. Okay. If you get the one with the pump, that one is $10.50. But the other one, the one that's pictured here that I got, is $7.50. So you grab that and you get $3 off. Now, you can decide, how you want to do that. If you want to get the pump or you want to get the smaller one, totally up to you. But there's also a paper coupon that is $3 off. So if you don't have the digital, you can use the paper. I use the digital. I don't have my paper ones yet, but as soon as my paper ones come, then I will be using those also to increase my my Dove stockpile. Because you can, if you like Dove, you can never have enough Dove. And sometimes these $3 Dove coupons are far and in between. They're hard to come by. So I just try to make sure that when they do come, that I take advantage of them as much as I can. So then the next deal I did was on the cocoa butter Palmer's lotion. Now there's a digital coupon that you want to use for that. And I think I got this coupon last week, I think, or the week before. And I'm just now using it because my store is just now getting stocked. I could have used it on other things, but I wanted to use it on the cheapest thing. So those little lotions are $3.35. Okay, and you're going to use this $1.50 digital coupon. It does attach. So then that'd be $1.50 off of the $3.35. And I'm going to show you that it attaches. And I'll also show you my receipt. Okay, so that, to me, that's a pretty good deal on a pretty good lotion to just, throw in your purse, or if you're making gift baskets for your family and things, you can throw one of those in. And then the next thing I got was the finished Powerball dishwasher tabs. And this coupon has also been around for a few weeks, but it's just that I wasn't able to take advantage of it on my other account because they didn't have any in my store. Now, you also might want to check your Ibotta app, because some people have $1 off for Ibotta, and some people have 75 cents off for Ibotta, or if you've used yours, it may not have reset. So I've used mine, so I don't have that, but if you have it, you can use it to help lower your out-of-pocket. The only thing that I have is the $1.50 digital coupon that I'm going to use. Okay, and those dishwashing tabs are $3.85. Then next I got the Scott toilet paper, and again, it seems like they give us this coupon every single week, and I don't complain. I'm absolutely fine with it. But I grabbed the six big rolls, the comfort rolls, and those are $3.60. Here you see it's $3.60, and this dollar coupon does attach to that. So that would bring that down to $2.60. Now we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch, because the Dove, the Finish, and the Scott products are all partners with Dove. So we're going to get extra points from Fetch for buying those 3 products. And then last but not least, I bought the Trident gum. And there's no digital coupon in the app for the Trident gum, but I got it because I do have an Ibotta rebate, which I have been trying to get this forever, but my store just didn't have the Trident, but they finally got it in, so I was able to take advantage of it. So this is the Ibotta rebate. It's BOGO. When you buy one, well, you're going to buy two and you're going to get one free, but it's actually more than one free. If your store gives up, you're going to get overage with this. So you're going to buy two of them and you're going to get $1.99 back. And they are actually only $1.50 a piece. So really, you're only going to pay, you're going to get 49 cents off of the other one. So you're only going to pay $1.01 for both packs of gum. So let me show you guys my receipt. So here's the Scott toilet paper for $3.60. Let's focus here. I don't know why this. Let's see if it'll work now. Okay. Scott toilet paper for $3.60. The Finish tabs for $3.85. The Dawn Power Wash for $5. Two of them. The Dawn body wash, the Dove body wash for $7.50. The Palmer's lotion for $3.35. The two Tridents for $1.50. There's my $1.50 digital for the Finish. The $3 digital for the Dove. The $4.99 digital for the Dawn. The $1 digital for the Scott. And the $1.50 digital for the Palmer's. So you see my total was $20.79. But you guys know that we never include tax. We never discuss tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough that you live in. So depending on where you live and what part of the country will determine your tax. So when you separate my tax out, that means that my total was $19.31. But then remember, I am getting back. Let me show you guys that I did submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back the $1.99 from Ibotta. Okay, so we have to subtract that out, and I'm going to show that to you right here. So you see I got the dollar. Oh, let me show you that is the Trident. I got the $1.99 back for the Trident. So that brought my total down to $17.32. And then I did submit my receipt to Fetch. Now, I didn't get a whole lot of points from Fetch because it wasn't any special offers or anything. But I did get 14 cents, 149 points is 14 cents. So it all adds up to get you those gift cards. But let me show you guys something else. I did submit my receipt to coupons.com because there is a coupon on there for the Palmer's as well as a coupon on there for the Finish. So here you see there's $1.50 for the Finish and $1.50 for the Palmer's. So that's $3. But I'm not guaranteed that I'm going to get that back because I've already used a coupon on these products, but I still submitted my receipt to coupons.com because it's been glitching and it's been giving us the money back anyway. So I'm always going to take a chance to get as much as I can. So guys, this is my haul for the day. I hope that you are able to go out and do that Dawn Power Wash glitch and take advantage of that. And I hope you're able to take advantage of some of the other deals. Comment below and let me know what deals you're going to do. Or maybe it was some good deals that I missed. Let me know those so I can go out and do those. And I thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for always being dedicated to the channel. And until the next time, keep on saving.